Ballad by Lionheart. Tips and tricks, everyday song by Helen Najar. The sea may rage, but danger often comes from the quiet shore. Not every invasion starts with a click. Some begin at the dock itself. Your Wi-Fi, your harbor. Every password a rope tied to your ship. Change the default, name your dock wisely. Hide its signal if you can. Make it harder for uninvited ships to find you. Disable what you don't use. WPS, that's an unlocked gate. Firmware updates, they are your reinforced planks. If you can't control the dock, learn its rhythm. Watch what connects and who lingers. Even shared waters can be guarded because the strongest vessel means little if the tide beneath it belongs to someone else. To explore deeper, visit the cyber scroll for this episode, Fortify the Dock on GitHub. There you will find the full guide and practical steps to secure your harbor before the storms arrive. Stay tuned!